All right, and so special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us this dual mic noise canceling headset. This is the model G5. Nothing on the top, nothing on the bottom. This size just says that it's sweat-proof, call noise canceling, one-step pairing, an LED indicator, power display. This side shows 34 hours of talking time, 32 hours of music time, 90 days of standby time with the charging case, and 108 hours of ultra long playtime with the charging case. And then the back just has a few of the specs. Model G5, this is a 900 milliamp hour charging case. The batteries are 200 milliamp hours and everything that comes inside. So let's open this up and take a look at it. Plastic off. And so, does it slide? Oh, it does slide out. Okay. Wow, nice. So, this is where we open it from. Look at that presentation. I dig it. So here's our actual headset. We've got foam and a user's manual here to help you know about the device a little bit. And then this is, so a USB-C type cable for charging. And then some other size earbuds, and that's it for the box. All right, so inside of this little sleeve is our actual headset. There's the back of the case. Very nice look, and it just opens up, and there's your little display to tell you how much battery you have. Oh, and it look at that. It actually plugs in, and then that folds. I've never seen that. So your USB-C cable plugs in right here to actually charge it. See, it's on 100%, and then, you're good to go the rest of your day. Luckily, it kind of latches, so, it's not gonna just fall out. You have to actually pop it out, but this is the headset. As you can tell, you could wear it on your right ear this way, or if, you need it on your left ear, you can just turn it around and wear it the opposite way. You do have some volume controls here, plus and minus, and this also seems like a button right behind the ear, charge port, and your earbud. So this is really like a Bluetooth headset. A lot of people love these back in 2006, 2007. I think a handful of people still use these who have not switched over to really just headphones. And there's also a mute button there. But that's essentially it for this product's unboxing. Thanks again to this company for sending this to me to unbox and show you what comes inside of here. And thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.